Good morning, student. This is first chapter of class 6, and the name of this chapter is Knowing Our Numbers. And this is exercise 1.1. Okay? First, I will explain about one question in this exercise. Question is that insert comma suitably suitably and write the name according to Indian system of numeration. Means you have to put comma perfectly in the number. Whatever the number, you have to insert the comma in that number suitably, correctly, perfectly. All are same. So number is first number of this question. A part 87595762. Once again, I repeat the number 87595762. First, you count the number. How many numbers? So, how you count it? I will give one hint. You start with ones period, and in ones period 3 place value, and you all knows ones period start from right hand side. So you just count right hand side. In first start with ones period, and in ones period 3 place values: ones place value, tens place value, and hundred place value. So now start from right hand side. So which digit in ones place? See the right hand side of this number. So right hand side digit is 2. So where is 2? 2 in ones place, and after 2 6. So 6 in tens place, and after 6 7. 7 is hundred place. Okay, so now you make comma, and you all understand your ones period completed, and after ones period thousand period, and in thousand period here also 2 place values. What are they? 1000 place value and 10,000 place value. Okay, so after 7 which digit come? 5. So where is 5? 5 in 1000 place, and after 5 9. 9 in 10,000 place. So make another comma, because in 1000 period here only 2 place value. Okay, now after completing the 1000 period, move to lakhs period, and in lakhs period here also 2 place values. Which are they? Lakhs place value and 10 lakhs place value. So after 9 which which digit? 5. So where is 5? 5 in lakhs place, and after 5 which digit? 7. 7 in 10 lakhs place. So now your lakhs period is also completed. After completed the lakhs period, make another comma. Now which period start? Crores period, and in crores period how many digits are here? In this part how many digits? Here is single digits. So write down the single digit. So this single digit in which place? Crores place. Crores place. So which digit in crores place? 8. So total how many digits? 8 digits. How you find out? When you see in the periods, and after knowing the periods, know the total digits. Okay, so total digits are here 8. Okay, now after completing comma, now you read from left hand side. Read from left hand side. And when you read from left hand side, which digit from left hand side of this number? 8. So first you write down 8 comma 75 comma 95 comma 762. When you read from left hand side, you read like this. So now you understand how you insert comma in a proper way. Clear? Now next part of this question is 8546283. Once again I repeat the number 8546283. So how many total digits are here? Again you start from right hand side and started with first period. Which is the first period? Ones period. And how many place values in first ones period? 3 place values. What are they? Ones place value, tens place value and 100 place value. Okay, so which digit in ones place value? 3 in ones place value. Which digit in tens place value? 8 in tens place value. Which digit in 100 place value? 2 in 100 place value. Then make comma, because in ones period only 3 place value, and after completing the ones period move to 1000 period, and in 1000 period only 2 place value in 1000 period, that is 1000 place value and 10,000 place value. So which digit in 1000 place value? 6 in 1000 place value. And which digit in 10,000 place value? 4 in 10,000 place value. So now 2 place value of 1000 period also completed. Make another comma. Now after completing the 1000 period, move to lakhs period, and in lakhs period also only 2 place values, that is lakhs place value and 10 lakhs place value. Okay, so which digit in lakhs place value? 5 in lakhs place value. And which digit in 10 lakhs place value? 8 in 10 lakhs place value. So your lakhs period is also completed, because in lakhs period here are only 2 place value. Okay, and after lakhs period, crores period start. So any digit or any number in crores period, any digit in crores period, no digits. So here only how many digits? 7 digits. So the exact formation of comma from right hand side, how? 382 comma 64 comma 58. And when you read these digits from left hand side with comma, how? 85 comma 46 comma 283. Understand? So 85 in where? 85 in lakhs period, and before lakhs period 1000 period. So which 2 digit in 1000 period? 46 in 1000 period, and before 1000 period ones period. So which 3 digit in ones period? 283, means 283 in ones period. So now you understand how to insert comma. And now you all understand how to insert the comma. Now next part is, after inserting the comma, you read how to read these number. Okay, so first one is 8 comma 75 comma 95 comma 762. So first of all, how many commas in this number? 3 commas. And after third comma, crores period. So just after third comma, which place value? Crores place value. And which digit is here? 8 is here. So how we can read? 8 crores. 8 crores. Okay, now clear it. 8 crores. And before crores period, lakhs period. And in lakhs period, two place value, that is lakhs place value and 10 lakhs place value. So before third comma, which place value? Yes, 10 lakhs place value. And which digit in 10 lakhs place value? 7 in 10 lakhs place value. And just before 7, which digit? 5. So which two digits in lakhs period? 75. How we can read 75? 75. 75, 75. So 75 in lakhs. 75 lakhs. Clear it? Now, before lakhs period, 1000 period. And here also two place value. Which are they? 1000 place value and 10,000 place value. Okay. So before second comma, which place value? 10,000 place value. So which digit in 10,000 place value? 9 in 10,000 place value. And which digit in 1000 place value? 5 in 1000 place value. So how we can read in 1000 period? 95. How we can read? 95, 95,000. 95,000. And before 1000 period, ones period. So which three digit in ones period? So before 5, 7. Where is 7? 7 in 100 place. So 700. 700. And before 7, 6. Where is 6? 6 in tens. 6 in tens. And where is, and before 6, 2. So where is 2? 2 in ones place. So how we can read 762? 762. So how we can read exactly this number? We can read like this: 8 crores 75 lakhs 95,762. This is the correct answer of this part. Now second part. Second part is 85 comma 46 comma 283. So in this part, here only two commas, and just after second commas, how many digits? Two digits. Okay, and just after second comma, which period? Lakhs period. Just after second comma, lakhs period. And in lakhs period, you all knows two place values, that is lakhs place value and 10 lakhs place value. So which digit in 10 lakhs place value? 8. And which digit in lakhs place value? 5. So which two digit in lakhs period? 8 and 5. How we can read 8 and 5? 8 and 5 means 85. We are 85 lakhs. And before lakhs, 1000 period. And in 1000 period, which two digit in 1000 period? So first you understand, in 1000 period, here also two place value, 1000 place value and 10,000 place value. So before second comma, just before second comma, which digit? Just before second comma, 4. And just before 4, which digit? 6. So how we can read 4 and 6? 46. Where is 46? 46,000. And before 1000 period, ones period. And in ones period, 3 place values. That is ones, tens and 100. So just before first comma, which place value? 100. So which digit in 100? Place value 2. 2 in 100. And before 2, 8. 8 in tens. And before 8, 3. 3 in ones. So how we can read 283? We can read 283 like 283. So exactly how we can read this number after inserting the comma? 85,46,283. Like this you can read properly. Okay. Now the next question. Insert comma suitably and write the number according to International System of Numeration. Here you insert the comma in international system, and you all knows in international system 3 periods, and in every period 3 place values. Okay, so which 3 periods? Ones period, 1000 period and millions period. Okay, and in ones period 3 place values, ones place value, tens place value and 100 place value. And after that 1000 period. In 1000 period, here also 3 place value, 1000 place value, 10,000 place value, 100,000 place value. And after completing the 1000 period, move to millions period. And in millions period, here also 3 place values, millions place value, 10 millions place value and 100 millions place value. Okay, so the first question of this question, first part of this question, 78921092. I repeat once again, 78921092. Okay, so here also it is very easy to find out how many digits are here, and it is very easy to insert the comma. How? Because in international system every period has 3 place values. So again you counting digits from right hand side, because right hand side is the ones period and ones period is the first period. Okay, so from ones period, in ones period 3 digits, 1 2 3, then make comma. So which digit in ones place? 2 in ones place. Which digit in tens place? 9 in tens place. Which digit in 100 place? 0 in 100 place. Now comma. 1000 period start. Here is also 3 place values, 1000 place value, 10,000 place value, 100,000 place value. Okay, so which digit after 0, which digit comes? 1. So where is 1? 1 in 1000 place. After 1, which digit? 2. Where is 2? 2 in 10,000 place. After 2, which digit? 9. So where is 9? 9 is 100,000 place. Now your 1000 period also complete. Now move to millions period. So in millions period, how many digits are here in this question? Only 2 digits. Okay, so in millions place value, which digit in millions place value? 8 in millions place value. Which digit in 10 millions place value? 7 in 10 millions place value. Okay, now you understand which digit in ones period, which digit in 1000 period and which digit in millions period. Now see, after finding the digits, it is very easy to insert the comma, because only 2 digits in millions period, which are they? 7 and 8. So write down 7 and 8, then comma, and after that just counting 3 digits, that is 9 to 1, then comma, 9 to 1 in 1000 period, and after that 092 in ones period. Okay, so the correct formation or correct suitability of comma in this part is 78, 921, 092. And after inserting the comma, you can read this number very easily. How? See here, 78 in millions period. So 78 millions. 921 in thousand period means 921,000, and 092 in ones period means only 92. So the correct answer of this part is 78 millions 921,092. Clear? Now move to B part. B part of this question is 74528283. 74528283. Okay, so here also first you count the digit from right hand side, because right hand side is the first period and the name of first period is ones period, and in ones period 3 place value. Okay, so which digit in ones place? 3 in ones place. Which digit in tens place? 8 in tens place. Which digit in 100 place? 2 in 100 place. Okay, now 1000 period start, and in 1000 period again 3 place values. So which digit in 1000 place? 2 in 1000 place. Which digit in 10,000 place? 5 in 10,000 place. Which digit in 100,000 place? 4 in 100,000 place. Now 1000 period is also complete. Millions period, and in millions period only single digit, and this single digit in millions place. So which digit in millions place? 7 in millions place. Means how many commas in this question? 2 commas. Now if you counting, or now if you see the digit from left hand side, it is very easy to inserting it, because single digit in millions period. So first write down 7, because only 7 in millions period. So write down 7, comma 452, because 452 in 1000 period. Now again comma and 283 in ones period. Okay, now understand how to inserting the comma easily. Understand? And after inserting the comma, you read very easily. See, where is 7? 7 in millions period or in millions place value. So 7 million. Clear? 7 million. 452. 452 means 452,000. 7,452,283 means 283. So exact answer of this question is that 7,452,283. Clear it? Understand? In this question, 2 more part, that is in the activity. Both the part in your activity. Okay? Now, the next question. Place comma correctly and write the numeral. Here is 5 part. In this question, 5 part. I will explain only 2 part and rest 3 part in your activity time. Okay, so first part of this question, 73 lakhs 75,307. First you have to write down in numeral, means you have to write down the answer in number. Once again I repeat the question, 73 lakhs 75,307. Okay, so how you inserting the comma properly? See, very easy. First you check how many periods in this question. 1000 comes in this question, lakhs also come in this question. So which word is greatest here? Lakhs. Means 3 periods. Means 3 periods means 2 commas. Clear? Easy? Now how? See, in lakhs period, you all know in lakhs period how many place value? 2 place values. So which word in lakhs period? 73. 73. How we can write 73? 7 and 3. 7 and 3, 73. To write down 7 and 3, comma, because 2 digits, here 2 digits, and only 2 digits comes in lakhs period. Okay, so 73, comma, 1000 period, and in 1000 period, which word? 75. How we can write 75? 7 and 5, 75,000. So write down 7 and 5, again comma, and after that 307. How we can write 307? Easily, 307. Understand how you insert the comma in a very easy way? 73, 75, 307 means 7 in ones place, 0 in tens place, 3 in hundred place, comma. This is from right hand side. Now 5 in thousand place, 7 in 10,000 place, comma, 3 in lakhs place and 7 in 10 lakhs place. And if we read from left hand side, means 7 3, 7 5, 307. Clear? You can write the number, and after writing the number you can insert it. How you can write? You can write very easily like this: 7 3 7 5 307. And after write the number, you can write like this: 73, 75, 307. Okay, clear it? Now move to B part. B part is 9 crore 5 lakh 41. 9 crore 5 lakh 41. So how many periods are here? Here is 41. So 41 means you just write down 41. Is any period with 41? No period is mentioned in 41. Means 41 in ones period, or 1 in ones place, 4 in tens place. That's why 41. Okay. Now after 41, 5 lakhs means 5 in lakhs place. It's mean after 4, no digit in hundred place, and you all know in ones period 3 place values only, and after completing the ones period move to thousand period. Here also 2 place value, but no digit in thousand period. Both the place values are vacant, and when place values are vacant you can put 0 in both the place. Means in thousand place you can put 0 and you can put 0 in 10,000 place. Okay, now make comma. Now 5 in lakhs means 5 lakhs. After 1000 period lakhs period, and in lakhs period here is also 2 place value, that is lakhs place value and 10 lakhs place value. So which digit in lakhs place value? 5 in lakhs place value. So just write down 5 in lakhs place value. And which digit in 10 lakhs place value? No digit. So here also again you can put 0, and again after putting 0 you can make comma. Okay, now move to crores period, and in crores period here also 2 place value, that is crores place value and 10 crores place value. So how many digits in crores? Only single digit, that is 9 crores. So which digit in crores place? 9. Okay, so now you can read from left hand side. So see that it is very easy to write down the number. See, 6 crore, not 6, 9 crore. 9 5 lakhs means 0 5 41 means 3 places, 10,000 place, 1000 place and 100 place. All the 3 places are vacant, means you can put 3 0 0 0 0. Now 4 1. Clear? Again I will tell the exact answer. You can write the exact number. 9 0 5 0 0 0 4 1. Okay, clear? Now you can inserting or you can put comma in exact way. How? See, 9 comma, because 9 in crore place, and you all knows that crore means 3 commas. Okay, so 9 comma 5 lakh means 0 5 comma, no digit in 1000 period, 0 0 comma, no digit in 100 place, 0, then 4 1. Understand? Clear it? Once again I will tell the answer. 9 comma 0 5 comma 0 0 comma 0 4 1. Understand? Clear it? Very good. This is activity time of this question. Same question, insert comma suitably and write the name according to Indian system of numeration. So 2 part is left in this question, and you have to insert comma. First you have to insert comma properly. I already explained you how to insert the comma, and after inserting the comma properly, then you can read properly. Okay, 2 number. First number is 999000046. Once again I repeat the number 999000046. So first you inserting the comma. Okay, I already explained how to insert the comma, and after inserting the comma properly you can read properly. How you can read this number after inserting the comma, how you can read properly. Okay, now the second number Second number is that 98432701. Number is 98432701. Okay, same thing you applied here. First you inserting the comma, and after that you read the number properly. Okay. Now this is also activity part, and same question related with international system. Question is, insert comma suitably and write the name according to international system of numeration. I already teach you how to insert the comma in international system, and after inserting comma suitably you can read how to read properly exactly. Okay, so here is also two part. First part is 999,85102. Once again I repeat the number 999,85102. Okay, you understand how to inserting the comma, and after inserting how to read it. Okay, now B part. In B part, number is 480,49831. Once again I repeat the number 480,49831. Okay, so these two number you have to insert the comma in international system of numeration, and after inserting the comma properly you can read easily, or you can write in words also. This you have to do at your home. Okay, now this is again a activity time. This is again a activity time, and in this activity question in words, and you can converted these words in number. The question is, place comma correctly and write the number. Means after converted in number you can place commas also. Okay, so first question is 7 crores 52 lakhs 21,302. Once again I repeat the question, 7 crores 52 lakhs 21,302. If you see that there are all the words in this question, all the words are here, and it is very easy to write down the number. All the periods are shown in this questions. Ones period is also here, thousand period is also here, lakhs period is also here, and crores period is also here. Okay, so it is very easy to write down all the digits when you write from left hand side, because left hand side is the crores period. So it is very easy to write all the digits in a proper way, and after writing all the digits in a proper way, it is very easy to insert the commas. Clear it? Now B part is 58,423,202. Once again I repeat the question, 58,423,202. See, this question related with international system. This question related with international system, because in international system millions period are here. Okay, so keep it mind, this question related with international system, and you all knows in international system three place values, and all are mentioned here. All the three periods are mentioned here. So here also you can write in a very easy way, because all the digits are shown here, and after write the number you can insert comma in a very suitable way. Clear it? Both the parts are very easy. Now move to third part. Third part is 23 lakhs 30,010. 23 lakhs 30,010. In this question, this is which period? Indian period. And in Indian period, in this question, how many periods are shown here? 3 periods, and all are seen here very clearly. Once period is also here, 1000 period is also here, and lakhs period is also here. Okay, so you can write all the answer in a very easy way. First you write the number, and after that you put the comma in a very easy way. Clear it? So I hope you all complete your activity in a proper way. Okay,